आप मथुरा वृंदावन से हैं,
Yeah.
you know, we will love to know about your place. I know Krishna Kannaiya का जगह है, you know, as somebody when they want to come there, can you give us some specialities about the place, what they should do?
Yeah. Okay. Brij Mandal. We will not say it only a Mathura.
Mhm.
It's whole known as Brij. Braj. And in Sanskrit, the meaning of Braj is Aao, chalo. Like going is the meaning of Braj. In Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Braja. मेरी शरण में आओ, भगवान कहते हैं. So this is the meaning of Braj. So Braj always says to everyone, come, 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 come here. And the Braj is saturated in 84 kos. Like in miles also is known as kos, I think so, because in one kos there is 3 kilometers. So 84 kos is saturated by like Braj, and we have so many places in Brij Mandal. But the we can say capital of Braj is Mathura. So Mathura was the birthplace of Lord Krishna. But he just took the birth there and he left Mathura to Gokul. And he lived in Gokul. Then he left Gokul and he visited to Vrindavan. But still, till now, we feel it. And the Granth and Puran, they always says that Krishna never leaves to Vrindavan. He is still remaining there only. So there are more than 5,000 temples in Vrindavan
Wow.
and Mathura. So that's why it's known as the town of temples. And most of the temples are like we can say Swayambhu. Means the Pratima which is like inside
Was not created.
was not created. It's like Swayambhu. वो स्वयं प्रकट हुई है. So there are some few like very good temples there. Every temple is nice, but what I will prefer like people should go there. These are like Banke Bihari temple.
That is in Mathura, right?
No, in Vrindavan.
The Dwarkadish is in
Yeah, Dwarkadish is in Vrindavan, Mathura.
Right?
But I'm telling you about the Vrindavan.
Right.
temples. Yeah. So first is Banke Bihari temple. Second is Radha Vallabh temple. Third is Radha Raman temple. Fourth is Radha Damodar temple. So these are some Radha Govind temple. But in Mughal, when Mughals empire was there in Brij Mandal also, some Thakur of Vrindavan, like some places, some temples, the Lord left it their temples and they visited to somewhere else. Like मुगल शासन में राजपूत जो थे, लाइक राज शासन जो था वो बहुत बलवान थे. तो भगवान ने सोचा कि ये लोग मेरा स्पर्श करेंगे और ये लोग आकर के, क्योंकि they were destroying the temples, they are destroying everything there. So भगवान ने विचार किया कि ये लोग आके तोड़ेंगे तो इससे अच्छा मैं यहाँ से छोड़ के चला जाऊँ. तो many temples like बहुत सारे भगवान तो वृंदावन छोड़ के कहीं और चले गए. लाइक राधा गोविंद देव जी, he is in Jaipur. Madan Mohan ji, he is also in Jaipur. Srinath ji, he is in Nathdwara, nearby Jaipur. So these are some main temples of Vrindavan where people should visit, obviously. And I would like to tell one more thing, that Vrindavan is not a place on this earth. You should always think while entering in Vrindavan that Vrindavan itself is Lord Krishna. Like after भगवान ने जब अपनी लीला पूरी की तो पूरा यदुवंश नष्ट हो गया था. केवल भगवान का पड़पोता, like the grandson, great grandson, his name was Bajranab. He was only there, and the 16,100 wives of Lord Krishna was with her in Mathura. बाकी पत्नियां भगवान की 16,108 हैं, लेकिन अष्टपटरानी भगवान के साथ चली गई. लेकिन 16,100 पटरानी वो मथुरा आ गई थी भगवान के पुत्र के साथ में, बज्रनाभ के साथ. तो बज्रनाभ was the king of Mathura. He was thinking that I am a king, but there is no one here in Mathura जिसके ऊपर मुझको शासन करना चाहिए, यहाँ तो कोई है ही नहीं, बिकॉज जितने भी ब्रजवासी थे वो सब भगवान के वियोग में सब चले गए थे. तो he called one Brahmin, his name was Sandilya Muni. He was the Kul Prohit of Lord Krishna. He called him from Chitrakoot and asked him that what should I do? I'm the king of Mathura, but मथुरा में कोई है ही नहीं जिस पर मैं शासन करूं. बल्कि I am a king, but whole day I am doing the seva of my mothers. What should I do? Tell me. At that time, that Sandilya Muni told him that what are you thinking? This Mathura, you are the king of this Mathura. No. This Mathura is not a place, itself Krishna. These all trees you are watching here and there, these all are the hairs of Lord Krishna. This Yamuna river, this is the nerves of Lord Krishna. This everything is Lord Krishna. So the people who is going to Braj Mandal, Mathura, Vrindavan, wherever, they should always think that we will go in temple later, but we are entering this place. This place is Lord Krishna.
Wow.
Many sons used to come Vrindavan on railway station. If they are coming out of the train, they are not putting their legs there. They are coming by their head. That this is Lord Krishna. So this is the meaning of Braj Mandal. So I would like to tell everyone that Braj Mandal is not a place, it's Lord Krishna.
Thank you. You cut it and switch it on. Just to